A merchant cash advance, also known as MCA, is a type of alternative funding that offers a great way to help get money for your business fast. In most cases, businesses receive money within just a few days. MCA lenders are able to provide funds this quickly because they aren't regulated like traditional lenders. A merchant cash advance is not a loan. Rather, it's a sale of your business's future earnings. This gives you greater flexibility in repayment terms, but as a result, MCAs have much higher interest rates and shorter repayment periods. Steve Scheinbaum from Merchant Cash and Capital explains the principles behind Merchant Cash Advance.
Three principal criteria. The first criteria is that many of our products are non-recourse, so there's no personal, unconditional guarantee of repayment. The second thing that makes it different is we have payment structures that can vary every day or every 2 weeks. So merchants that have some seasonality or cyclicality in their business, with our type of financing, can pay more when they have more money and better cash flow, and pay less when they're in a slower season or a slower cycle of their business. The third largest differentiating factor really is the speed in which we can turn something around. We've automated our underwriting process such that we can give merchants and business owners, approvals which are firm, and we're funding 90-some-odd% of the time.
This type of funding usually relates to businesses that transact with customers through credit cards. Merchant cash advance companies provide business owners an advance on their future credit card sales. The merchant cash advance company is paid off through a percentage, called a holdback, of each of the business's credit card transactions until the advance amount, which also includes the agreed-upon interest rate, sometimes called a payback term, is paid back to the cash advance company. The best place to find a merchant cash advance is through an online lender, but make sure you do a background check before finalizing anything to ensure they're a reputable company. So, while merchant cash advances offer flexibility, immediacy, and require less documentation up front, they typically end up costing more than other types of lending over the long run. However, if you find yourself in an emergency or simply need cash quickly, a merchant cash advance may be a great option. Inquire with your local Small Business Development Center or the local SBA office to ask about the merchant cash options and whether or not this type of funding is appropriate for your business.